In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a saved search for your client so that they can receive email updates. So basically, what you need to do is you need to log into your IDXBroker account and go to Leads and then go to Manage. And then down here, you're going to find your lead. So in this case, we're going to click on this one. She has no saved properties or searches. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click on the little icon of the person right there so we can view the lead. Now, in this case, I want you to pay attention to the traffic history. If you haven't talked to this client yet, you may want to look at their traffic history to see what they're looking at to create the saved search. If you have talked to them, then you will get specific information from them on what they want to see, what kind of homes they want to see. But if you don't, it's a good way to check out what they are searching by just looking at their traffic updates, and you can see what their traffic is. You can click on these links to see what properties they viewed, for instance, or to see what searches they're doing. And this happens to be a saved search that was created for them. So that makes it easy. So there's two ways to add a saved search to their account. You can come over here to property, or rather saved searches, and you can click Add, Edit, Save Searches. Then you have to click Add Save Search over here in the top right corner. And you're going to choose a search page. So you usually always want to choose the advanced search. Some of you may have your own private admin search, which that's what these are, that we use to create save links because they have more fields that we don't necessarily want to display to the public. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click Advanced Search because that's going to be the norm. And then I'm going to hit Next Step. Then I'm going to put in my status. So choose all of your statuses. Don't want contingent or extended. And then you're going to choose your settings here. So I'm not sure. This is going to be creating one that is, for whatever reason, we're not going to be saving this, but I'm creating this as an example. So I'm going to choose my price range. And then I'm going to sort by newest listings because everybody wants to see the newest, hottest listings first. And then down here, waterfront. And then I'll hit Next Step. Now I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say Waterfront Homes in Boston. And I'm going to make sure that this box right here is checked for received updates, and then I'm going to save changes. That's automatically going to set her up to receive the email updates for that property. Now, another way to do this would be, let's go ahead and go back out to Leads. And I'm going to log in. I'm going to open in a new tab. So I'm going to do this, two different things. I'm going to log in as lead, but I'm going to open it up in a new tab. So it logs me in as her. And I'm going to still go back and click on lead info because I really want to see these things right here. So here it's logged me in as her. See how it says Welcome Robin Painter. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link that she keeps looking at. You can see that she's looked at it multiple times. And I'll open that up in a new window. Now notice that it is welcoming me. So this is noticing that I am her. And I can click right here. You can't see it in this case, but it should say Save Search. I'm going to click Save, and that's just going to automatically save it. Now if I come back to her account, and I go back to Save Searches, you can see it saved that account. It wasn't there before, but I just clicked Save Search, so it did. So now if I go to Traffic History and I go to page 2, see if there's anything else that she clicked on that was a saved link. These are all the same. Here's another one. So that's the waterfront, so I can save that one. Now, if I mess anything up and come back in here, and there was one I wanted to delete, then you can click on Add, Edit, Save Searches, and then you can come over here and you can click the little trash can to delete a saved search. so that they won't receive it anymore. The other thing that you can do while you're in here, let's go back. Saved properties. If there happens to be a property that you think your client would like, you can save it. So you can click on, let's actually go back to traffic history. She was looking at property. Okay, this property. So maybe there's a new property that I saw that I thought she might like, or whatever it is. But in this case, I'm going to do it for this property because I know she liked it. So you can come in here and go to Saved Properties. Click Add, Edit, Save Properties. Then we're going to click Add Saved Property. And now we're going to put a listing ID number in here. And we're going to give it a name. This is... use the address in this case. And if it price change or anything, it'll send her an update. So I just hit Save Changes, and that's it. Now when I go back to that client and I go to Save Properties, that property is saved. And again, if you want to delete it, just click on Add, Edit, Save Properties, and come over here and click on the little trash can, and it will delete it for you. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to give us a call at 517-917-0582 or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. We love being your developer partner.
Yeah, pero, yeah.